So I am just about done with this head. It's all cleaned up. All the gasket surfaces are nice and clean and flat. But I've got this bolt here that broke off at the head when I was taking off the intake. And I'm going to show you a method, my favorite method for getting bolts out. Yeah, it's never worked, but it's still my favorite method. With the old Handler 210 on number 4 for voltage and 45 for wire speed. I'm running flux wire, so no shielding gas here. But all we're doing is going to tack a nut, or actually weld it pretty good, onto the end of this stud. And I guess where I've gone wrong before is letting it completely cool down. So this time I'm going to just let it get hard enough so that the weld is solidified, and then I'm going to try and back it off. Well, it's still really hot, so let's give it a shot. Well, it's definitely warm. The bolt is anyway. I mean, the nut is. Right, so I don't want it to get too cool, but I don't know if it's turning. It might just be turning the yeah, no. Well, it's a great way to shorten broken bolts. Should we try that again? Why not? Gotta find another nut. Oh, I don't have high hopes for this, but we'll give it a shot. I don't know, maybe let it cool more this time? Less? Your guess is as good as mine. Alright, well, let it cool down a little bit more. Let's see. You know, sometimes impact helps. Whoa! Yes! Oh, I didn't think that was gonna work. Sweet! Alright, so apparently the thing to do is not give it slow, even pressure, but give it, use an impact gun or something. Tapping. Huh. It's just warm. It's not even really that hot anymore. I mean, it's barely warm. Like someone's been holding it. Look at, you could tell, like, well, deep down in the, I don't know if this is focusing. Deep down in the threads, it was good, but see that? Focus. See that crap up there? I think that's probably what was binding it. And I tried everything else. I tried, you know, vice grips and penetrating oil and everything, and none of that worked. So, sweet. I'm so psyched I don't have to drill that out. All right. But wait, there's more, because we have this bolt that broke off as well. And I've been spraying the bejesus out of this with, I don't know, some kind of penetrating oil. Let's try it. What happened? Come on. And it's toasty and it's crooked. Ah, here goes nothing. How hot is this still? Oh, it's pretty warm. Oh, yeah, it just burned me. Mmm, flesh. Alright, a shot. Oh, there we go. Huh. Ah. Damn it. Second time's a charm, right? Damn it. Alright, one more thing to try. I drilled a hole in it, and I'm going to weld another nut on here. And the idea is that when the bolt gets hot, it can't expand this way because, you know, it's stuck in there, so it might expand this way. But then as it cools, the hole will allow it to shrink a little bit and give some clearance in the thread so that I can then back it off. That's the theory anyway. But let's see. Come on. No. You win some, you lose some. I think I'm going to drill this one out and hit it with a tap. Or something. I don't know.